Good morning, my dear students. This is another video of the same topic, and in this we are going to discuss the question number third as me beyond myself. See, the reason for lack of value is today's world. Everybody has been when we think of a layman's language, we always have one thing in mind. Means I want wealth, right? But it should be without work. I want pleasure, but without conscience. I want knowledge without character, right? Similarly, everyone have that notion to bring business to get that commerce field into the big broadband way, but without the morality, without the ethics. They want to sell any example. They want to sell the cycles without the with cheap quality, but they want to sell. This is not my problem. No, I want to sell this thing. That is the main thing. What its quality is, what it is. Quality analysis, nothing I have nothing to do with that. I want to sell. So this is the problem today is. So uh, also that we have science without humanity, right? Politics without principles. You might be, I don't want to elaborate this topic because politics is a different issue. Everyone knows like uh, they are putting everything on the stake but without principles, without tomorrow's future. So like that. So in pairs discuss and write an article of the topics given. Each group in class can develop a presentation on one of the above as a project. This is a project work, right? So I really am telling you by God, I will check everyone. I told you, if you write in place of 100 sentences, if you write 5 sentences of your own with your own conscience, I am very, very much glad, more than that 100 sentences from the copying and pasting. So I want you to understand these things. In case when you are free, you can call me up and say, sir, we want more elaboration on these things. In case your parents, see, everybody come with the good education background these days, because it's not 150 years old that only one of the member was educated, and after four are illiterate. I'm sure that you come from the very good background. Sometimes it becomes a good topic to discuss with your parents also. Sometimes you can ask your father, Papa, just tell me, what's politics without principles? Can you give me some examples? In case if they don't have time, if they don't have that knowledge, you can call me anytime. We'll discuss this thing one to one. I have already told you these things before in this chapter, like why we are lacking such kind of things, because we don't have principles. We have the rule book, but we are not following it. So that becomes an important part to discuss, because these things will really help in building us our moral values of our life. Again, that bookish questions which I have told you, the section down below. Question number 2: what are values? How important are they in your life? What values do you stand by or believe in? Only few sentences. It does not mean that you have to write a whole book. What changes would you like to see in yourself in the next year? Your own perception. Okay, if you are 50 people in a classroom, or 20 people, or 30 people in 2 classrooms, it should be different. Own way, own words. So I think we'll stop it here now, and we have another day to complete the tasks about the questions, and I want you to write everything of your own. Do not worry of your language, do not worry of your grammatical mistakes. I am here to correct them. I am here to teach you that things, but let your horses go and write of their own sentences, your own thoughts. Understand? बोलते हैं ना, आप लिखो, आपके मन में जो आता है, आपको जितना समझ आ गया है, आप लिखो, रोकना नहीं है. उसमें कितना ठीक है, क्या गलत है, मैं हूँ उसको चेक करने के लिए. So I want you to write these things, and after that we can discuss more. We can until and unless we don't have this complete means set of questions. If you have not understood it, we will not move further. We have ample time. Okay, if we have completed this only, then only we can go ahead. It does not mean that we have to skip something and go and next. आगे दो आगे दौड़ पीछे छोड़. No, I want you to understand whatever we have gone through with the chapter. I have shared the screenshots of the pages also. It may help you because sometimes you need to review. If you have missed anything, sometimes you reread it and get what you want. And let's see more. I'll just try to bring something more easy so that you can do it more precisely. Till the date, take care. Bye.